In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer my website to Podia. By the end, you'll know exactly how to rebuild your site in Podia, bring over key content like blog posts and users, and connect your custom domain so everything is live in one place. Start by opening your Podia dashboard. The core idea with Podia is that you'll recreate your site's pages using the built-in website builder and then connect your domain. In the builder, create pages that mirror your current site, then copy in your text and upload images, downloads, and any media you want to keep. As you go, match your colors, fonts, and navigation so your branding stays consistent. Use sections and blocks to structure each page, and preview often to make sure layouts look right on desktop and mobile. If you have a blog, Podia can save time with an RSS import. Look for an import or create import option in your dashboard. You'll typically choose a file format like CSV or OPML. Upload a file that contains your RSS feed URLs, and then tell the importer which column in your file holds those URLs. Once you confirm, the import begins. After it finishes, review a few posts to tidy up formatting. Replace any missing images and check slugs, categories, and publish dates. Next, migrate the rest of your content. For general pages and site copy, manual recreation is the way to go. Paste your text, re-upload files, and rebuild any galleries or sections directly in Podia. For blog posts, you can often find your RSS feed by adding the word feed to your domain, then use that link with the RSS import tool. For users, export a CSV from your current platform and import it into Podia. Make sure headers like name and email are clean and consistent before you upload, and spot check a few entries after the import. If you have a lot of content or want extra help, Podia offers a free manual migration service for specific paid plans, which can be a great time saver. Finally, connect your domain so visitors land on your Podia site. In your Podia dashboard, go to Settings, then Domain. Enter your custom domain and click Add Domain. Now, in your domain registrar, add a CNAME record. Set the host or name to www or your chosen subdomain, and set the value to sites.podia.com. Save your changes and return to Podia to verify the connection. DNS updates can take a little while, so give it some time to propagate. That's it. Your site is now set up in Podia and ready to share.